Today I'm going to be discussing about how to increase your watch hour very fast. Oh, I know you have issues with your YouTube channel. You're struggling to get the 4,000 watch hour. I'm glad to tell you that you are not alone. That's just it. Many YouTubers are struggling to reach milestones, and I will share you exact strategy that you can use to get this watch hour very fast, to skyrocket your channel and then to make things work on your channel. I want you to stick to the end of this video because I have a bonus tip for you in this video. Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time that you are watching video on this channel, please do like this this video, drop a comment and share, and as well subscribe to this channel. Yeah, so if you are to do all these things, you need to get some certain things right on your channel. The very first thing that you have to do is create a longer engaging video, not just a longer video, but an engaging video. Why a longer video? YouTube prefers longer video because it makes people to stay on the platform so that they too can have the space to promote the advert that advertiser brings to them as a company. YouTube wants to make money. YouTube wants to make money. So they have to put advert in between your videos. That is why YouTube prefers a longer video. Example of longer video is a 10-minute video. A 10-minute video with 50% retention is automatically 5 minutes already. Look at that. You have a 5-minute watch time per video. Now let's look at it that 1,000 people watch 5 minutes out of this video. That already gives you 5,000 watch time. That already gives you 5,000 watch time. So the longer the video you have, the more people engage that video, the more people watch per minute on your video, the more you get this watch time very fast. So what are you doing about your video? Are you making a short video? Are you just making a short video, 2 minutes, 3 minutes? It won't go like that. Make as 10 to 15 minutes video and make it an engaging video, not a boring video. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Now I have a question for you. What is the longest video currently that you have uploaded on your channel? Please kindly drop it in the comment section. Let's know how many minutes video that you have currently on your channel. So the second thing that you have to do to get this watch time on your channel to get increased is you having a playlist. Oh, check into yourself. Do you have a playlist on your channel? Do your channel have a playlist of videos, sections of videos that you have been creating on your channel? Now, for example, you are into YouTube growth and tips. Do you have a specific playlist for it that will make YouTube to recommend your playlist? Because if YouTube doesn't find a playlist on your channel, they just recommend anyhow posting video on your video when people finish watching your video. Now let me give an example. Okay, someone watch a video on your channel. It is possible for you to add your video to play next. Then you have to ask me, how can you do that? Then another video that can come up next is when you create a playlist. Do you have a playlist on your channel? Or you don't know how to create playlist? You can drop a comment below. Let me know if you don't know how to create a playlist. Now, a playlist will make people to engage your channel, and then we make them to continue coming to your channel to watch more of your video. And then when other people are watching other people's video, other content creator video, your video will highly recommended by YouTube on this platform. YouTube Street is not a play. You have to know the hacks and trick so that your channel can grow on YouTube. And another thing apart from the playlist is what we call the end screen and the cards. Are you including cards in your video? Are you including end screen in your video as well? End screen is what will come up after people finish watching your video, and then you can include your playlist and another video that looks alike or that is much better than the video that they just watched. So when you upload a video on YouTube, you have to go back to your YouTube studio, and then when you go back to your YouTube studio, then you can edit it as well, put the end card, put the playlist as well at the back of each video, so that it can be highly recommended on YouTube. Number 3 thing is that you have to check and improve analytics. As a YouTuber, you should have a YouTube app on your phone, and also as well have a YouTube Studio app on your phone. Why? The YouTube Studio app is the one that's going to show you the analytics of every of your content, one after the other. So as a YouTuber, it is very important for you to make use of your YouTube Studio analytics. Why you should use your YouTube Studio analytics? If people drop off at a particular timestamp, it is very possible for you to know where people are dropping off on your video. Is it the intro, the body of your content, or the outro of your video? You will know all these things through your YouTube Studio. You can do that even on your PC by going to the YouTube Studio section on the YouTube channel as well. And then the next thing that this YouTube Studio will help you is to fix boring intro and then slow pace or weak storytelling. This place will show where people are really dropping on your video. So you need the YouTube Studio to grow your watch time, to see how things are going at the end, at the dashboard of your channel. At the YouTube Studio, you can get as many information on how many people that are watching your video, where they are watching from, and then from the geographical place that they are watching your video. The geometrical place. Are they watching from Nigeria, from Japan, from France, from Pakistan, from India, from Afghanistan? You are going to know all these things. And then the YouTube Studio makes you to know how many watch time you have per video, so that you can know how to work on the next video as well. On this YouTube Studio as well, you can edit some certain facts on your video. You can edit, cut, and trim as well from this YouTube Studio. Now, a call to action for you to do is that I want you to go straight to your YouTube Studio after watching this video, and then check what is going on about your videos and all your content on the YouTube Studio. So if this is your first time of watching content on this channel, please kindly like this video, share this video, and drop a good comment. Subscribe to this channel to get more YouTube hacks. And then the bonus in this video, that's why I said you should watch to the end of this video. And the last part of this video is just the bonus part of it. And I will tell you, this will give you a much and massive watch time. And what is that? You have to go live on your YouTube channel. Even if it's 5 to 10 people that join your live stream, this is going to give you much watch hour. Because if they join your live stream and they are up to 5 and 10 people that watch your live stream, this will gather more watch hour because they stay longer, and then YouTube is also able to drop ads while they are watching your video. So I will tell you, as a YouTuber, try to go live on your YouTube channel so that you can get much watch hour. If this video has helped you and has given you more insights and hacks about YouTube, kindly subscribe to this channel for more hacks and YouTube growth. Thank you. You are going to see me in another video.